Lines. I'm David Vargas. I'm chef owner of Vida Cantina, owner of Nell's Barbecue, and Vida Tortilla. I'm not only going to enjoy some great food, but also going on the Today Show representing New Hampshire. I'm making masa stuffing, or masa dressing is what we call it up here in New England. So masa being made with Tuckaway Farms corn. It's a traditional kind of dough that you would use to make tortillas, and we make a cornbread out of it and then use it to make our stuffing. I'm excited to meet other chefs that are going to be there. It's 50 of the best chefs are going to be on the show all together at the same time. So I'm excited to mingle and talk with the other chefs, but also just to represent New Hampshire with a great dish representing the local vegetables that are our bounty all the time. I'm excited just to sit on the bus and, like I said, do work and not have to worry about anything. Wednesday morning, 8 a.m. Tell me how I do.